Today we're headed downtown to the Glen Hotel here in Atlanta, Georgia to go ahead and film some content for a long-standing client of mine. You probably heard him before, you probably saw him before the Community Teen Coalition. But today we are going to be shooting a brunch event where it's going to have some speakers pouring knowledge into the teens, as well as some really good food, because the Glen, oh my God, they got some. The food, the brunch is amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using, like always. Go into the content and prayerfully get a lot of content from behind the scenes so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and why I am doing it. So we are here at the Glen right now. I'm setting up 2 lights on each side over here. This is gonna be my wide shot. For the shot that's going to be back on this side right here, I'm going to use this light, this diffuser on this light over here, and I'm going to have another diffuser on that light over here. The reason why I'm actually going to do this now, as you can see, this is, I would say, maybe 3/4, nothing but windows. So when we shot up here previously, being that this way is a little bit dark, I want to make sure I have light on this side so we can actually still get some of the ambience of us being out here. So if we're on this side here, you can actually see that the windows on this side is actually darker here, but it's brighter on this side. So I don't want to like completely kill the whole look of us being out here. Ooh, I'm about to mess that up. Us being out here on the rooftop. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to use this as far as this diffuser to try to light the guests while they're sitting up there, and hopefully we should be able to just get the whole ambiance of us being on top of a rooftop here in the Atlanta area. Light output with these are insane, and it's a small footprint as well. So I'm gonna have this up, shooting that way. I'm gonna have that one up, shooting that way. But I'm near an outlet, which gives me enough latitude to go ahead and do that. So let me go ahead and continue to get this set up.
To earn success. How can you earn success if you quit the first time someone says you can't do it?
Consistency is a currency for success.
Don't try to do it alone. In the Bible, it says plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. That means that kings should have people who advise them.
Man, my dream is right there. In the first quarter of that Senior Bowl game, I break my leg and dislocate my ankle. And then I went on to play 15 years of Major League Baseball. So don't you let anybody tell you what you can't do,
Come
right?
on now.
And if you stay focused and disciplined and stay in your tunnel and see your dream, it will happen.
Hi, my name is Justin. I've been in Up Around for around a year. And today, as a student that's going to get into college, into the real world, it's just good to have these conversations with adult men.
That's why you want to be disciplined. That's why you want to be focused. Because whatever you're focusing on, I promise if you plan it and you're consistent, you're going to be great.
Understand this, your body is your business. If you take care of your body, it's gonna take care of your mind. And I've never seen a person who's successful who wasn't successful without clarity.
Just think about your choices. And if you're in that tunnel, stay in that tunnel. If you need help, get some help from a real friend.
write down that dream, write down those goals, and you focus on those goals.